This is hard. I need your help, please.
Ganito?
Hi there, Jose and Smile. It's Thanksgiving season and we want to show you our turkey.
When we came back to the US from Singapore in 2017, we actually hosted a family Thanksgiving here at the house. And we did a traditional turkey where we bought turkey.
We actually found this recipe from Gordon Ramsay and we had to marinate it for hours and roast it for 3 hours, and it was very difficult. It was okay, it was good.
Yeah, as far as turkeys go, it was okay.
But we prefer chicken joints.
That's true, that's true. But we do want to have, tradition of having turkey for Thanksgiving, so we decided we were going to do our own.
So this is what we came up with, and we wanted to show you how we did it.
So we got a watermelon here, but before we start cutting, we're going to have to draw the turkey on it.
I will draw the turkey.
First thing I want to do is make a flat part, make a base basically, make this flat. Cut it so that we can stand it up. Hopefully that will do it. Now I'm just using a small knife to carefully carve the watermelon using the outline we did earlier. Now we take out the top part to reveal the turkey. Yun.
Now we need to empty the inside so we can put fruits in there.
To make it look better, we're actually using I don't know what you call it.
It's a ball carver or something. I only actually see this in the Philippines. We got it when we were there. I took a piece from the 1/4 side and I'm saving it to put wings on the turkey. Now, using toothpicks, we will try to put it here. It's so hard, I need your help. So this is our new Thanksgiving turkey tradition.
We hope you got inspiration to add a new spin to old traditions.
Because it's your life, make it fun.
Bye!